How to recover deleted data from Microsoft OneDrive. If you happen to delete some important files within your OneDrive account, you still want to access those files. Well, luckily OneDrive also has their own recycle bin. So click on the OneDrive icon from your task manager on Mac or Windows. Then go to this trash icon that says recycle bin and click on it. It will open up in a web browser where you might just have to sign into your Microsoft account once again, and you can get a code to sign in as well. So I'll just click on the send code button and I'll go ahead and then simply select my Gmail and then I'll open it up. And once I'm here, you can see the email. So I'll just open up that email and I'll simply copy the code. Then I'll just come back here and I'll just paste the code, and once done I'll be logged into my Microsoft OneDrive on web, and as I log in I'll be able to access all of the files that I had chose to previously deleted, and that way I can recover my deleted content from Microsoft OneDrive. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.